these problems are always much harder than they look. And at first I can never remember how to do them, but then I remember that you have to get two equations with two unknowns in there to solve for them. So what we know about this is we know the point there and the point there. This point is 3, 0, and this point is 5, 0. So what we do is we take this equation right here, and we're going to plug in 3 and a 0, and then 5 and a 0, and get two separate equations. But we can do B right now and get 2 points out of the way. The axis of symmetry is way down the middle, like this, which would mean it has to be between 3 and 5. So it's x equals 4. That's done, easy. I don't have to do anything with it. So there's 2 points. So I'll go over here and deal with this because it's going to take a little bit. So it's going to be, so for the 0, 3, so y is 0. So it's going to be 0 equals a times 3 squared plus b times 3 plus 30, which is 0 equals 9a plus 3b plus 30. And then the second one, I'm going to do it off the side here because I'm going to have to combine them. So it's going to be 0 equals a times 5 squared plus b times 5 plus 30, which is 0 equals 25a plus 5b plus 30. So I want these two things to have something cancel out. It's easy to get that and that to be opposites. I'm going to multiply this by -3. It'll give me -15b. I'm sorry, -5. Doing backwards here. -5. It'll give me -15b. This one by 3. I'm going to hit everything. Same thing here. I'm going to hit everything. So I'm going to put them one in the other. So I'm going to get 0 equals -45a minus 15b minus 150. And then I'm going to get 0 equals 75a plus 15b plus 90. I'm going to add those together. The b's will drop. So it'll be 0 equals 30a minus 60. And then just solve this for a here. So it'll be 60 equals 30a. So a equals 2. So now since I know a equals 2, I can come back up here and take either one of these two things. So I'm just going to put it into this one, so it's easier right here. So a is 2, so it's going to be 0 equals, so I'm going to take that one, not the first one. 0 equals 25 times 2 plus 5b plus 30, which is 0 equals 50 plus 5b plus 30, which is 0 equals 80 plus 5b minus 80 minus 80, -80 equals 5b divided by 5, divided by 5. B should be -16. 16, right? -16. So now I have A and B. So now my answer for part A is going to be y equals 2x squared minus 16x plus 30. And we can plug it into the calculator, make sure it has those points, but I'm positive that it's going to.